Solve the equation and check the solution. 2.3x plus 13.7 is equal to 1.3x plus 2.9. Notice we have an x term on both sides. Let's get those terms together by subtracting 1.3x from both sides. On the left, 2.3x minus 1.3x is 1.0 or 1x plus the 13.7. The 1.3x cancels from the right, leaving 2.9. As a last step, let's subtract 13.7 from both sides, isolating x on the left. On the right, 2.9 minus 13.7 is equal to a negative 10.8. Now let's check this solution. Into the original equation, we'll substitute x is equal to negative 10.8. So the original equation then, with this value substituted in, gives 2.3 times a negative 10.8 plus 13.7. Is that equal to 1.3 times a negative 10.8 plus 2.9? Multiplying on the left, 2.3 times a negative 10.8 is equal to a negative 24.84 plus 13.7. On the right, 1.3 times a negative 10.8 is equal to a negative 14.04 plus a 2.9. Combining terms on the left, negative 24.84 plus 13.7 is equal to a negative 11.14. And we get the same thing on the right, negative 14.04 plus 2.9 is equal to a negative 11.14 also. That is a true statement. So we have confidence that our solution is indeed this value, negative 10.8.